Today I have GMC account 2009 complaint in this car, misfiring. When the car is running, engine light is flashing and too much misfire in the engine. When running the car, start the engine, no misfire. When running the car in the road, too much misfire inside the engine. Now I want to scan the car and see what code we have. We have 564 fault code, P0171, P0174, P0230, P069E. P0230, we focus in this code, fuel pump relay control circuit. This is the main problem. Now I show you the diagram, fuel pump relay control circuit. In this car has no relay for fuel pump. This car fuel pump control module and the engine control module control the fuel pump control module. This is the fuel pump control unit. Later I show you location of the fuel pump control module. Pin number 16, fuel pump relay circuit. Pin number 14. Sorry. Pin number 14. Straight to the engine ECM. Engine ECM control the fuel pump control ECM. Problem in this wire, maybe wire problem, maybe inside the fuel pump control module problem. First thing first, we check out the wiring. This is the fuel pump circuit relay in engine ECM. 54, pin number 54 in engine ECU and pin number 14 in the fuel pump control ECU. Now I go down in the car and see the location for the fuel pump control module and check harness, wiring. This is the ABS control module and this was the fuel pump control module. This is the fuel pump control module. This GMC a common failure. I will show you. I found the fault. Before you check anything, you see the four wheel shaft. When moving the four wheel shaft, this wire harness touch with the four wheel shaft. You can see there is some damage. This is the main reason for this code. This is the 456 GMC, the same problem. You can see the wire harness touch with the four wheel drive shaft. This shaft, when moving the shaft, the wiring will be short to ground. Later I show you clear. Camera is very difficult to reach there. When the car is moving, the engine light will be flashing. This is the reason. The four-wheel shaft moving and problem in this wire. This is the wire, short to ground. If repair same this like code, you must be check this four-wheel drive shaft. When the clip is rust, this wire is